Alright, there's no secret, big fan of John Wayne. So this is a cimarron called Rooster Shooter. These grips on it I made myself because the original grips broke on the gun. They were supposed to look like this, supposed to look like old ivory. I'm going to do another video on that later. As a joke, I never saw anybody do a torture test with the cowboy gear. So down below me is the puddle. There's the cowboy gun. Single action cimarron. Now my 5 rounds. Open her up and shoot it. Okay, got the steel down range, here we go. How's that?
We're rolling. On.
I'm going to drop it right here into this puddle.